working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yup. Alright guys, so today I'm going to make some bubble bread. It's called bubble bread or monkey bread, I don't know. Some people call it monkey bread, some people call it bubble bread. But I used to make, I haven't made it in a long time, but I used to like to make it all the time back in the day. I remember making it back in the day in middle school, you know, in the cooking, the home and careers class, when we cook stuff, and I made it there. So, and after that, I was like making it all the time. But anyways, I haven't made it in a long time. And the way I learned to make it is kind of different than like the recipes I see online where they make it in like a pan, like a bun, what's it called? Like kind of like a cake or whatever, and then put like sauce, make the caramel sauce or whatever. Like I don't make it like that. Like I don't know, I guess it's just a little bit more simpler, I guess. So yeah. So anyway, so this is what you need. I don't have all the ingredients, but you're gonna need a thing of biscuits. Maybe one or, I don't know if I'm gonna use one or two yet, but you need some biscuits. It could be Pillsbury, it don't matter what brand, but they just gotta be some biscuits, or you can make the dough from scratch, but I'm gonna use some biscuits. And then you need some butter to melt. You also need sugar. I gotta get that together, but you need some sugar, brown sugar. You can use brown sugar or regular white sugar, and cinnamon. Mix them together, and then we need melted butter, and that's basically it. This is gonna be like, this is just pretty simple. Oh, and you need a pan and all that. All right, anyways, I'm gonna get that set up. Just the sugar, about 1/3 cup. I mean, it don't gotta be perfect measurements, but I just threw a little bit of brown sugar in there. Okay, and then you're just gonna need some cinnamon. Cinnamon. I'm just gonna add however much I feel is good. You know, sometimes you just want to eyeball it. And put a little bit more cinnamon. Okay, so just need a nice sugar and cinnamon mixture. Okay, so I'm putting some butter in this cup. I just scooped a big chunk in there. If I need more, I will just add more. I'm going to melt this in the microwave. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up the can of biscuits. This is the part that's like kind of scary because I don't like, it's gonna pop. Oh, you gotta press it. Press spoon at seam until it can't. But I thought it just pops when you open it. Oh yeah. Okay, and then you gotta pop it. Cinnamon all over it, cinnamon and butter. Okay, wrist it. Okay, press it. I'm just gonna pop it. There it goes. Ah! Okay. How many biscuits are in here again? Like 8 or something? I'm not sure if I'm using 2 cans or not. I gotta see what it looks like, but okay, so you gotta put all the biscuits. You're gonna cut each biscuit into 4 pieces. You dig? Alright, so to start cutting them up into 4 pieces. So yeah, there's gonna be like little pieces like this.
Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she fine, she a dime, she can pop shit.
Yeah, they don't gotta be perfect. Like it don't matter if they squeeze together it don't matter if they get all squishy. Like they don't gotta stay perfect.
Shawty think she too hot. I think I'm the shit. Knows me like I'm
It's
too
dope.
hot. Yeah, we getting lit. Shawty getting juiced up. It's against a party. Smoking like we Snoop Dogg. Hunger who she with? I think it is her birthday. Yeah, it's going down.
So then next, you're going to all the dough and the butter and cinnamon.
We can have a drink. Champagne if you're thirsty. Shawty think she hot. Shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot. Shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot?
Yeah, so as you can see, we're just dipping the pieces of dough, biscuits or whatever, into the butter, and then you roll them into the cinnamon and sugar mix. And then I place them in this pan. I'm just using this glass dish. It's okay if they're touching, like they'll pull apart easy. So I only have like a little bit of space left. I guess that works out. So yeah. So once we finish, we'll put them in the oven. The oven is preheated to 350. So I think you only need to put them in there for about, I don't know, maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I'm not sure, but I'll check on it to make sure. But it's probably like between 20 to 30, maybe a little more, maybe, I don't know. But we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna put them in the oven. And we'll see. Probably for about, I'll check on them in 20 minutes. 15 minutes so far. Alright, what do you think? It's been in there for about 25 minutes. I think they're a little crispy. Ooh. I think they're about done. I just want them to have like, you know, a slight little bit of crisp to them. But yo, they smell yummy. Alright, we're gonna get them out now. They've been there for like a little over 30 minutes though. Ugh. Alright, here's the final result. Okay, so they're nice and they're a little bit crispy on the top. That's how I wanted them to be, like have a little bit of crisp to them. So you can tell they're like golden crispy. Yeah, son. And usually like what you could do, like I'm not putting all this extra stuff, but they're good like this. But you know, the rest of the butter over it, and the sugar, the rest of the sugar, but there's sometimes a lot of sugar, so I'm gonna probably make a little bit more. I don't want to put like a bunch of extra sugar over it or anything. So yeah, that's just a simple and quick, like they're just good like this. So I'm not putting like a bunch of extra sauce and all that on it. I mean, because you could do what you want. You could put like frosting or whatever, I don't know, but it's good just like this. It's still nice and good, so it's gotta cool off though. But yeah, I don't really want to put too much sugar and stuff on them. I don't want them to be like too sticky and like too sweet. So to me, they're just good like this. I'm gonna try them in a minute, but give me a thumbs up. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for them to cool.
Smokers on mud. I'm on another level. I'ma start up in the sky so high, I'm celestial. Ride around in a spaceship, feeling extraterrestrial. What the fuck you won't test me for? What the fuck you won't stress me for? Who the fuck are these new niggas? They be acting all feminine. I don't do no pre-script, but this treat got my high Eminem.